Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, your host. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. Happy Labor Day weekend to many of you here in America. Labor Day is not the same. There's been a lot of layoffs in America. A lot of companies have just gotten rid of people. Really good jobs in America have been, it's not very good Labor Day for a lot of people. I'm gonna give you something free though. I'm gonna give you some free books and a free. We'll take a look at some of our baby knockouts. We're just going crazy right now in uranium and rare earths, and our gold and silver baby knockouts are just going up, up, up. Enjoy the party. It's going to last a little longer, we believe. It does have legs, ladies and gentlemen. We believe some of these stocks, they won't go up every day. They'll go up and they'll come down. They'll go up, they'll come down. They'll go up and they'll come down. Just that's what the stock market does, and that's what bull markets do, ladies and gentlemen. So we're looking really, really good in these areas. I'll be working on the baby knockout newsletter this weekend. You that have not paid up to date, you'll be getting a notice, and I'll let you know here, ladies and gentlemen. But it's really, really going to be top notch. We've got some great research out there in a lot of these stocks. As you guys know, we do our fundamental analysis, we do our technical analysis, and we do what we did during the dot coms. We kick on the doors and knock down, and find out what's going on with that company. And sometimes we find out there's nothing going on with that company. Well, why is the stock $13 if there's nothing going on with that company? And then it goes back down to where it should be in the zero graveyard. We've had some of those before. But look what's happening right now, ladies and gentlemen. And make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. We've got lithium here trying to join the party. The rare earth uranium, the gold and silver party. It's trying to join the party. And I did tell you in this book here, 1, 3, and 6. For you that have this book, I've been dabbling with those on pullbacks, 1, 3, and 6. So it's not stock advice. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. As you guys know, I'm an author, I'm a researcher, and that's what I will stick with, researching and doing my book thing, ladies and gentlemen, doing my publishing thing. But once again, I'll be working on the Baby Knockout newsletter. I'll show you how to get it real quick. I've had some questions. I'm going to make this as real, real easy, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at some charts. I'm going to be very, very brief here. And let's look at the stock we've been looking at, UU, for a second here. And let's take a look at Cameco's chart too, see what they're doing. And what else can we get into, ladies and gentlemen? Let's take a look. I'm Mickey D. Make sure you hit that like button. Let me get some free books before we look at Cameco and Energy Fuels here for a second. This is Silver Investing in the Silver State. Nevada mining companies ready to shine. Nevada is a big silver state, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of companies, do business in Nevada. It's a great state. You can see some of the reviews. You have good reviews, and then you have, these jerks from, other countries that come in and say, hey, it's too short. You didn't do this. So you too simple, Mickey D. You just named the companies in Nevada after, a few pages or whatever. Shut up, please. You guys, don't never mind this. These people from foreign countries trying to get you not to. This silver state is Nevada. Let's do what we have to do in Nevada, ladies and gentlemen. Nevada. So grab you. Definitely want to grab you one of these books. It's free. It's free, or maybe 90. Is it free, or maybe 99 cents or so? I think it's free or 99 cents for the Labor Day weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Labor Day, that one's free. Let's take a look at another one that's going to be really, really good here. Pastor Sam. We're talking about marriage and the union, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of marriages will be in bad shape, and he's got a take on it. The When you two get together on your relationship, his guidance and his wisdom will greatly benefit husbands and wives. So you definitely want to get a free copy of marriage and the union. Especially if things have happened at home there. What else do we have this free this weekend? What about investing and understanding Bitcoin currency stocks to buy now? No wallet, no problem, ladies and gentlemen. I'll make sure I have the links down here for you. Get you a little free Bitcoin book. It's not going to hurt you any, my friends. Get you one. Let's take a look at our baby knockouts here. What happened with energy fuels this week? It was a really good week. Stock did really well. It's going to do well for years to come, especially with what they did this week. They had a supply agreement with Vulcan Elements, ladies and gentlemen. What's going to happen is they're going to supply Vulcan, VULCAN elements. Under the agreement, they'll supply the latter with initial quantities of high purity, light, and heavy separated rare earth oxides in the fourth quarter of the year. So it's going to happen here pretty quick. They're going to be supplying them. Yeah, I mean, the neodymium, the dysprosium, these wild names and stuff. But as long as you know that the margins on these things are pretty good, ladies and gentlemen, pretty good. So the stock did go up. Let's see how high it went up. It did pretty well here. Um, I did a video and there was a great trade. My shipmate Frank there had a great options trade on this stock here. We don't talk a lot about options, but he killed it. So it was a good job, Navy shipmate there. Um, as you can see, Energy Fuels is doing its thing, ladies and gentlemen. Can it pull back? Sure, it can pull back a little bit. But I gave the last call here last week at $10. And it may when I give these last calls, $10, you may see $10 once, you may see $10 twice, but I don't think you're gonna see $10 uh three times. I don't think you're gonna see $10 with Energy Fuels, ladies and gentlemen. What's happening with our leader, Cameco here? Cameco seems to be shooting on all cylinders, as they say, doing very well, up above the 48-day moving average, well up above the 200-day moving average. Cameco still with a 58 RSI. It's got room to run. Cameco is going to do its thing. I think it's going to ride the 48-day. Like, remember when I showed you some of the Magnificent Seven riding the 48-day for years? Well, if you got some Cameco, hold on, because Cameco can ride this 48-day for a long time. Let's take a look at one more. Let's take a look at a gold baby knockout. Why not? Gold and silver are doing so well. Let's look at New Gold. New Gold is New Gold is killing it. No longer under a dollar, baby. It's gone and doing its thing. Perfect little crossover here, just not too long ago. And we see New Gold is going up. Earnings are looking good with all of our baby knockouts right now. Things are looking really up for gold and for our silver stocks. As silver approaches 40 and gold, 3,500 is the next stop for gold. As long as it stays in that area, it can go down to maybe 3,200, 3,300 or so. As long as we stay in that area, ladies and gentlemen, the stocks are going to do very well, very well. Let's turn this thing around. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy that Labor Day, ladies and gentlemen. Before we turn it around, I did say I wanted to show you guys the easy way of getting the Baby Knockout newsletter and getting other information. You go to any video, right? And you scroll down where it says more information, the description area, hit the description area and just go down because who was asking me about the coffee? A couple of you guys were, you buy me a coffee, Mickey D, just tell me how to do it. Just go to this right here. You can go to the scoop, just go to the Scoop store here. You can go to PayPal. You can go if you want to Twitter, what have you, X, what have you, ladies and gentlemen. You can go to get the Baby Knockout newsletter at PayPal. You can just here. Let's hit this thing here and give people an idea of what's really going on here, and it's really simple. Right here, it'll take you right to this area right here, and all you do is donate $99. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. That's $99 for the Baby Knockout newsletter. You can go to PayPal in any video, or you can get Cash App. I didn't get a chance to give you Cash App, which is Mickey MICKEYDDEE 100. Mickey D 100 at Cash App, and you can also donate the $99, and you get the Baby Knockout newsletter, which is probably the hottest newsletter out there right now, ladies and gentlemen. Um, it's on fire. Let's just say that. Well researched stocks, well researched jurisdiction, well researched projects, and it's on fire. We're talking rare earths, we're talking uranium, we're talking gold and silver, and now lithium. And the president may make an announcement about cannabis, and wow, that'll be joining the party. Wow, it could be a long term thing. When legislation changes, then we've always said that we'll go. We'll dive in head first. But with no legislation, there's not a lot we can do on that end, ladies and gentlemen. I've told you that for years. This was maybe what the 11th time for us now, the 11th time for us to charge into that area. But anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe. Don't do too much partying. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. We're getting ready to go over 1 million views. This little channel, 1 million. We started at one, and we're getting ready to go over 1 million. So it's some. Thank you guys also for your advice on whether I should take the bag or not. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. And there were mixed views on there. Some say take the bag, some say keep your independence. So it's something I'm gonna battle with here for a minute. But you guys take it easy. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You need strength, energy. You need guidance. Look up, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. God bless.